As winter fades away, nature awakens from its slumber, painting the world in vibrant hues of green and blossoms. Welcome to the enchanting season of spring. Join me on a journey as I explore the beauty and wonders of this magical time of the year. In preparation for the bountiful season ahead, I have embarked on a journey of sowing seeds for my summer garden. I plant each seed with hope and anticipation, knowing that with patience and dedication, they will soon blossom into a flourishing oasis of greenery and color. There's something magical about watching life unfold before your eyes. As I plant these seeds, I'm reminded of the cycle of renewal that spring brings. For reference, I am located in Ontario, and the last frost date here is usually around the Victoria Day long weekend. I started my seed sowing journey for 2025 the first week of April. I don't really use heat mats or grow lights and therefore prefer starting them late. I make a list of the seeds that I want to start, gather supplies and containers, and buy the seed starting mix. I prefer to add some water to the mix. I always read all the instructions and plant the seeds accordingly, and of course, label the pots. I then place them near a window which receives the maximum amount of sun. Seedlings need adequate light to grow strong and healthy. We have to make sure that the seed starting mix is consistently moist but not waterlogged. Once the seedlings have developed several sets of true leaves and there is no danger of frost, they can be transplanted outside. And that's how I start my seeds indoors here in Canada. It's always so exciting to see the very first signs of life even before the snow melts outside. If you're just getting started, I hope this gives you the confidence to try seed starting at home. Here's wishing everyone good luck in their gardening journey this year. May we cultivate love and respect for the natural world, nurturing it as it nurtures us in return. Until next time, take time to stop and smell the flowers.